My name is Ian and welcome to Planted. In this video we've got the great fig dilemma. This is my Olympia tree in the summer of 2021 laden with figs. This is that same plant 10 months later in May of 2022. And as you can see, no sign of growth. I'm going to share with you what happened, what went wrong, and what we can expect going forward. Let's go. So good. This is my Olympia fig in 2021. It's springtime, new shoots, and a huge set of beautiful fruit. This must have had 60 or 70 fruits that ripened completely. Very tasty and delicious. And I'm looking forward in 2022 to having the same result. But close inspection in March of 22, it's very apparent that the little buds that have yet to emerge have been frosted out. They're not intact and they can't grow. And that leads me to this video. I want to explain to you what happened last year compared to this year. Here we are with the Olympia fig in mid-May of 22, and this branch has managed to put out some shoots. Its proximity to the wall and also its height off the ground is a clue to what happened. These branches at 6 and 7 feet high were exposed to very strong cold winds. Our winter in 21 to 22 was much more severe than the previous year. And what's happened is that these branches have been subjected to strong cold winds and they've become desiccated. The moisture has been sucked out of the shoots and the stems so that they can no longer function. It'd be very easy to get upset and get angry that this is what's happened. I should have given it more protection. I didn't, thinking that the wall was enough. But let's not lament the loss of this plant. This will get pruned, it will come back, the crown is still intact in the ground, and we just need to exert a little bit of patience. And this is why I grow a multitude of different varieties, hoping that every year one of them will be a standout. The ultimate goal is to have fresh figs that you can harvest and eat reliably. I grow a number of different varieties to try and increase my chances of that happening. But I've done lots of videos on fig propagation and how to overwinter figs. And it's so important to stress upon you the need for plants to have consistency. Here I'm showing you how I tie up a fig, put a cover around it, fill that cover with leaves, and all of this is to prevent that desiccation that happened on the Olympia fig. And it takes a lot of effort, it's a lot of work, and you can't shortcut it. So let's look closely at what happened. This is one of my prize figs called Sanguidols. It's beautiful. And you can clearly see the tan or ginger or orange. I mean, it's not orange, but you can see it doesn't have a green-brown hue. This is a stem from last year that went through one winter. And here we go. Here comes that transition from the tan-colored to the green. I expect this plant to shoot out at this green speckled transition. This is dead and below is alive. And here we've got some little shoots that are coming, and this is what you want to look out for. Those shoots are absolutely vital to understand if your plant's alive. So please be patient. Don't be too quick to get in there and start chopping and pruning unnecessarily. This is my French fig, which I really adore. It's big, big fruit. And I'm very happy that this one came through the winter beautifully. Lots of nice, fresh shoots. So with that, thank you so much. Tell your friends, tell your family, go plant something.